Look at this beauty. We just got this. Frank doesn't even know anything about it. He's going to be so excited. Wait till he gets his hand on that.
What?
Whoa.
What? Jody,
What
is going on?
Tony didn't
What's
tell
this?
you? I thought Tony
Tony.
told you because the two of you, when you usually get together, you're buying something.
Guys, I went to the restroom. How did this get here? Are you kidding me?
Look at how gorgeous.
This is ours? We got this?
No, we bought it.
Tony, what's Tony? Yo, Tony, what happened? What's going on? I went to the restroom and I came back and there was a 25 in here.
I know,
Did
it's
it say
beautiful.
it did a thing? Frank's been talking to me about, we really need to get like the newer bike with the new Skyline screen in here, and I'm going, yeah, but they're awfully proud of these new things. So I went to the dealership, by the way, Teddy Moore's Harley-Davidson dealership, which we pay rent every month. We're in the complex.
Don, right?
Went over there to get a bite to eat, and I'm talking to the lady that owns the place over the food, and I said, who's your GM? A long story short, Don goes, oh, our new GM is blah, blah, blah. He goes, I'm a sales guy over there. I go, well, I said, Don Clark, use Don Clark, he's awesome. I said, by the way, here's what I want to do. I don't care what color, I don't care if it has 1 billion miles, this is what I want to pay. I came back with a motorcycle.
We traded in the other Road Glide?
I traded in the 16 Road Glide, so we have a
Wasn't it-
2025 Road Glide, a brand new one. It's
I
got
love it.
12 miles, which is crazy because I just drove it 100 yards. But this is going to have a massive system in it, so they should come back pretty soon.
Unbelievable, okay? The moral of this story?
Frank's not going to be able to sleep, you
Don't
know.
go to the restroom. Or go to the restroom if you want a new bike. All I did was make a suggestion. Hey, it'd be great. Me and Tony were talking this morning. It'd be great to have one of the new bikes. Tony's like, I don't know, man. Let's, I go, but Bike Week is coming up, and bam, this thing is going to have an awesome system. It's going to have the new system. Come in next week and hear this thing. You'll be
Oh,
impressed.
Frank won't be able to sleep all weekend.
Ride safe and come see the new baby, the new addition to our family.
Take care, guys. We'll see you Bike Week.